Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit latoyadillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Now, if you have been thinking about moving to Rock Hill, South Carolina, this new construction community is one you definitely want to have on your radar. Today, we are out touring Hardy Pond by David Weekley Homes. This is a boutique community with just 77 homes, offering both single-family homes as well as townhomes. And what I absolutely love about David Weekley here is the level of detail. You're getting 10-foot ceilings on the first floor, 8-foot doors, oversized islands, large windows, and thoughtfully designed spaces throughout. Plus, you get features like front and back porches, 2 to 3 car garages, and tree-lined backyards that really elevate the overall feel. And let's talk about location. You are close to Ebenezer Park, downtown Rock Hill, the Riverwalk, and just minutes from I-77 for an easy commute into Charlotte. Now let's talk about one of the homes that you can actually build in this community. Today, we're going to be touring the Wedgewood floor plan, starting from $559.90 with just under 2,750 square feet of living space. It offers 3 to 5 bedrooms, up to 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. You will notice the open layout right away with tons of natural light and a seamless flow between the family room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Now, the kitchen is truly the heart of this home. You got a large presentation island that's perfect for casual meals, entertaining, or just gathering with family. It keeps everything connected while still giving each space its own purpose. Now, just off of the main living area, you have a patio that's perfect for stepping outside, getting that fresh air, or just creating your own outdoor setup. Upstairs is where you will find the owner's retreat. It features a private ensuite bath and a walk-in closet designed for everyday comfort. You also have 2 additional bedrooms upstairs with a shared bathroom, great for family or guests. Now, what I really love about this floor plan, though, is the flexibility. You have a front study for working from home, an upstairs retreat for relaxing or entertaining, and even a keeping room, which gives you yet another cozy space to just unwind. So if you're looking for a home that gives you space, flexibility, and thoughtful design, Hardy Pond and the Wedgewood floor plan are definitely worth a closer look. If you want more information about this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care. Like this episode and comment giveaway below for your chances to win a free branded long sleeve t-shirt. Winners announced every Friday.